Turmeric and ginger. One reason they work so well together is because, well, on their own, they're absolutely amazing. For instance, take a look at turmeric. You may recognize it in your favorite curry dish, but you may not know that this medicinal root has been used for over 5,000 years. Ancient cultures knew how powerful this was, and they were really onto something. The benefits of turmeric are almost unbelievable. First, it has amazing medicinal properties. It contains compounds called curcuminoids, which brings me to my next point. The most important of these compounds is actually curcumin. Maybe you've heard of it. He's the leader with the ability to reduce inflammation, which ironically helps you fight foreign invaders. Curcumin also boosts antioxidant enzymes, keeping your cells free from damage. Turmeric also improves brain function. Those old neurotrophic can lower your risk of heart disease and other illnesses, and it can relieve chronic pain. Now part 2 of the medicinal matchup is ginger. It's closely related to turmeric, but it brings its own benefits to the table. It contains gingerol. I know where you can get all the benefits together, and in 10 seconds a day, this is gold, literally. It's a golden tea that combines all of the benefits of turmeric, plus ginger, plus a whole host of other medicinal herbs and pain-soothing organics. For example, reishi mushroom is actually in this as well. Reishi is great for longevity, relaxation. It's absolutely amazing. This also contains magnesium, which is one of the most clinically researched things on the planet for helping induce sleep and recovery. It's got turkey tail mushroom as well. Turkey tail is absolutely amazing for immunity and much, much more. The best part is it only takes about 10 seconds to make this smooth, creamy, delicious mix that you can have every single night before you go to bed to help rejuvenate, restore, relax your body, and put you in an amazing place to feel better. The other best part, yes, there are more best parts about this, it tastes unbelievable. It is literally the greatest tasting tea I've ever had. It's going to help you sleep so much better than you have. And try it for yourself. You've literally got nothing to lose. If you try it for 30 days, you don't like it, send me back the empty container and I will send you a refund. But you gotta try this. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.